Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Kahit saan dyan ang TikTok nila guys. Okay, first bite para sa aking mga viewers dyan. It's a perfect day for vlogging. So, hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ayan mga ka-JD's Vlog. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back again. So, I am back of vlogging. Wow! As you can see guys, today is Wednesday. And we are so bored in the house. Bored in the house. So, ayan, we decided to go out. Just road trip lang kami guys. Hindi namin alam kung saan kasi actually mostly sarado yung mga establishment. Pero meron naman kaming car, so pwede naman kami sigurong mag-road trip kung saan kami dadalhin ng mga kulong. Guys! And dito kami sa car. Hindi namin alam guys kung saan kami pupunta right now. We are really puzzled. Pero papunta po kami sa Shaton. Doon papunta sa Darwin. So here's A. Si hi A. Charlotte. And si Bunso, LJ. Si Hazelnut. And si Fred.
I love it when you call me señorita.
So ito yung Robinson guys. Ayan, dumaan kami sa Robinson.
Hold up.
So hi guys! Ayan guys, nandito na naman po tayo sa Alora Beach Resort, ang aming favorite na place. Wow! So exclusive guys, kami lang talaga guys, wala talagang iba. Welcome to Alora! Wow! Wala kayong guest ate? 36.7 akin. Hi guys! Welcome back to Alora.
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Ayan sila. Ooh.
For more, we're thinking to stay here. Maybe, I don't know, tomorrow. Or the other day. So, ayan guys. Nadyan guys. Kahit saan dyan ang TikTok nila guys. Ayan guys, si SpongeBob bro guys. Na, Jud. TikTok pa more. So guys, alam nyo na guys, TikTok is life. So ayan. Mga addict po sila sa TikTok guys. TikTok pa more! So hi eh! Wala kang gi-apple? Dali na, intro dito. Intro dito, dali. Introanin niyo si Eng. Usaya daw si Eng. So, napaka-calm today guys. Napakaganda ng panahon. Hindi mahangin, hindi rin basta super nice. Dagat.
Guys, you don't know my TikTok. I'm good at it.
We were thinking to stay here for one night. Actually, we never been here. We never stayed here in this place.
So can we stay here one night?
Yeah, we try.
Today?
Maybe tomorrow. Okay.
Can we do it 2 nights?
Yes. Okay.
2 nights, okay?
Okay. So we're gonna have lunch here for now. Hi,
I'm doing the thing.
seafood pizza nila. Tapos ito yung seafood bucket. Wow! Fish tinola and spring onions. Marlboro, guys. Pasanmig-sanmig pang nalalaman silang duha, guys. Wait kami sa other foods, guys, na darating. Hawaiian pizza. Wow! Of course, burger. Wow! Yes. Lami kag lang pizza dire. Sarap yung pizza nila dito, guys. Pero masarap sana nila dito yung fish salad kasi wala sila. Chicken bucket. How about this? Wow!
Tabunan pa. Is that gravy?
Alam niya, ilang gravy. Oy, ang sarap ng gravy nila.
Ano magkapatana man kanila? Kaya ikaw man patana.
Wala po tayong diet sa mga panahong ito, guys. Hindi na po nagda-diet si JB's Vlog. At makikita nyo naman po sa katawan ngayon. Baguhin na po natin yung salitang
Kukuhaning
ang
fries.
ibana ng Negros, guys. Ang balyena ng Negros. Okay, first bite para sa aking mga viewers dyan. Mga ka-JB's Vlog. Ang burger ng Alora. Tenderen. Wow! Tikman natin dito. Masarap.
Remember the magic burger? Why is it so small?
Oh my God! Oh yeah, baby.
Now you're calling the burger baby.
Wow. Best burger.
Mommy.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. With cheese, with caramelized onion. Makikita nyo po talaga. Wow! Guys, kung gano'ng kalaki na ang burger, maliit lang siya pero mahaba. Yan. Alam nyo na kung anong ibig sabihin yan. Maliit na mahaba ang burger.
It's like you didn't take a bite.
Ay, andyan ka pala?
You forgot about
Oh my God. Real burger, guys. Tikman nyo, guys. So, guys, hindi pa pala tapos tayo sa ating order for today. So, meron pa tayong brochita. Ayan. Yung brochita, guys, is bread lang siya with tomato and olives. And real olives, actually. Ganito lang yan, guys. Ganyan, oh. Yan.
Palitan na.
Lalo. Tikman natin to. Mm. Mm. This is good.
Di ba nag-usap?
Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit the bell button and give us a thumbs up. Bye! Wow! Don't forget to follow. We're almost having a new vlog. Bye!
Pwede ba nga?
So, goodbye, guys. Goodbye.
So, bye, guys. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you, thank you.
Hi, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yay! Rocky. You can stop?
Hi, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Love you guys. Stay safe, everyone. Always.
Bye.
JB's Vlog.